So we are going to make a quick and easy pizza. So I'm using wholemeal wrap, but if your children really don't like wholemeal, then you can either change it to a 50-50 or a white one would be better, but the wholemeal is much more healthier. We're going to put the tomato puree, spread it around. It's really good as well. Your children can do these if you've done all the cutting because of the sharp knife and prepare it like I have. Then you can just spread this on. If you haven't got tomato puree, you can use a low sugar, fat, salt tomato ketchup version. That is obviously a bit sweeter. And then after we've done that, we sprinkle on the cheese. Again, mild cheese, and try to look at low fat cheeses because we are making healthy snacks. And then add whichever vegetables. I'm adding pepper, and some sweet corn, but of course you can have chicken, ham. Your children can add whatever their favourites are. And then that's the pizza done, and then we put it in the oven for literally 5 minutes on 180, and voila, your quick and easy pizza.